Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is News App Using News API. This is the abstract of our project. As world's technology is rapidly growing, we have fast connections and network to instantly connect to the other person. Day-to-day use in mobile tablets and laptops is increasing. The most of the people already having the facilities. In this fast and information-oriented world, we need to stay updated with every incident and news too. This news app is Android mobile applications wherever users have access to latest technology news from 120 plus newspapers from 50 plus countries. The main focus of these applications is to connect with the news articles from all around the world and deliver it to the user as fast as possible is the best visualized way. Let's see now we discuss about our flowchart. Now first of all we start the program, click the app, start the program, we, then we open the splash screen. It's nothing but your logo and your app name. It's displayed on this splash screen. Then news activity. First page is of our news activity. This having all the news totally getting the news from our API. Set it to the this activity. And next in the view the news by selecting by topic. Example, if you select, then we have the top of the page. We have the three lines settings. Then they click that means it's opening on another activity. That activity having select. Then view the news by settings, selecting by the topic. Example, science or sports news or business news like that. Let's say if you select means automatically go to the back again the news activity. Drop to bottom. It's a refresh option and it's a refresh option. But if you refresh, automatically set in the business news. If you select business news, means automatically setting the news activities as a business news. And then selecting how to many how many need to display. For example, if you want to display the 25 slides in this news activity page, if enter the 25. If you want 35, that enter the 35. If you want 100, enter the 100. This is we discuss about in the mobile application in the mobile application video. We clearly explain that to display. Then we selecting the order. Example, old news to new news or new news to old news. If you click old news, if you're having the 1987, 1990, above 1991, it's all the news are displayed in this page. Then thank you. We discuss about next. We discuss about our app. Open the app and discuss a live demo. Okay, welcome to today. Now we see about our top news app. This is our app logo app. Click it. Then first of all opening. Then open. There is this is our main screen of our page. There first of all default local news are present here. There is news. If you want change the news means just go and click the science technology news technology, then press the refresh, drag and draw about to like Chrome. You can university see this is a educational news holding details about voice parliament.
Weakness in early pandemic. Yes. If you want business news, go to business news. Then refresh Australia publishes live. Then see the business news. Russia, Ukraine, sorry, Donald Trump Ukraine engagement. Now we selected business news. API get only the access of business news. Sorry. See the Vodafone 3 agreed merger from UK largest mobile operator. If you want, if I see here, it's a fully loading out. That's enough for 25 slides only. It shows here. If you want to increase the slides, it's example 250 I give main. It's give the toast message. See, select the limit 1 to 100. So I put the number 100, then press OK. Uh, if now I click back, now refresh. We load the 20, 100 slides. Last time we stopped here only, I think. Now we see loading lots of images. This is called recycle view in Android. Then we have the newest and oldest news. Let's now see how much older news we read it. Wait. In 1837, the Association of Queen Victoria, J. Taylor, the founder of Guardian, dies. In 1844, it's not, I don't learning language in UK success in the global economy. Theory towards human river branch. From the achieved thoughts instead of the Sabbath. From the achieved modesty of the projector of the London. Then weak on the screen. Letters to the editor. If you want London Underground. Then we change the new episode. Thank you.